Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dominion High School, home of the Titans in Sterling, Virginia. This is my first visit to their campus. Got to speak to all the students and staff, grades 9 through 12, in the theater inside the main school entrance. And really just a beautiful afternoon, getting to share my heart with people, again, all ages, but also really some of these game changers when it comes to what they're trying to accomplish, especially with the No Place for Hate campaign that they are really pushing and asking people to make a pledge to really focus on what they want more of, which is peace, which is kindness. You know, the main message for today was diversity. The sub-theme was need human kindness. And we know that diversity is our differences, and we have to appreciate, respect what's on the outside of someone, but also what's on the inside, right? When we choose to honor that, you know, not just our own diversity, but those around us, you know, all of a sudden we make this world a lot more inclusive place, right? Where we choose to accept, we choose to show compassion. And to this understanding of, you know, or the concept of unconditional love, love without any conditions, it's definitely not easy. You know, to know that if somebody's born different than us, if they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, different skin color, if they're disabled or not, we're glasses or not, if they're taller, shorter, wider, skinnier, whatever it is that could separate us, we have to look at those as opportunities that could potentially unify us, right? Bring us closer together, that we learn and grow from embracing diversity, right? If we resist it, we struggle, but the more we embrace it in every aspect of the word, you know, we can learn so much from people's different walks of life, right? If we choose to. And it's also a conscious choice whether we choose to love or hate, right? And something that's definitely not easy to do as well. But like Dr. King said, you know, I've decided to stick with love because that hate is too great of a burden to bear. It's too much to keep it in our heart. It's too much to really always, you know, keep it on our shoulders like an extra weight. It's okay to let it go, right? And the more that we can do that, the more that we start to understand and embrace this kindness, you know, that helps to heal our heart for sure, but also that's how we start to change and heal this world, is one act of kindness at a time. And so it's this idea, you know, of human kindness. It's this conscious choice of unconditional love, but also understanding that we are all true miracles, right? I bring this up in every assembly that I do, but I mentioned this too, that I always trace my hand during the program, but all of us with the lines in our hand have the letter M, right? And that M, at least one on each hand, sometimes a faint line connects, but that M stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt, the particular shirt that I wore for today's presentations, upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, now we can go out and shine that light to others around us that maybe haven't embraced fully their diversity or don't appreciate themselves when they look at themselves in the mirror. You know, all of us are mirrors, and we can either choose to reflect the hate that we've seen in our lives or the love, right? And so for the students, the pin drop moments that we had through the different musical performances, the motivational videos, the picture slides that, you know, reinforce the heartfelt stories, all of that combined, you know, something really hit home. And it's just, again, so inspiring to me to see some of these young people that want to be that change, that want to make that difference, and that they're truly living it, right? It's not just talking the talk, but they're walking the walk. They're making that pledge, that promise in their heart that hopefully will last even beyond their time here, but go out into this world and just make it truly a better place. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, I'll have a great rest of this school year, a great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.